Most founders and GPs lose before they even open their slides. Why? Because a pitch deck screams supplicant energy. It signals you are seeking approval. The powerful don't pitch, they declare doctrine. They outline principles, non-negotiables, and sovereign laws of how they operate. That is what magnetizes capital. Forget the pitch deck, forget the glossy slides, forget begging for attention with bullet points and hockey stick charts. Doctrine is greater than decks. Now, what does that mean? Doctrine is your governing law. It is the manifesto that defines your operating reality, the rules of engagement for anyone who wants to align with you. Look at history. The Monroe Doctrine, the Truman Doctrine, China's Belt and Road Vision. These are not decks, they are declarations. They shape investor psychology at a national scale. They say, if you engage with us, here are the rules, here is the vision, and here is the destiny. Now translate that into your fund, your startup, your platform, or anything that you are building. When you operate with doctrine, you do three things. First, codify your authority, as I have mentioned before. Here, you show up not as someone chasing checks, but as someone writing the rules of the game. 2. Filter the wrong capital. Doctrine disqualifies weak investors before they even knock. That is a time multiplier. 3. Signal permanence. Doctrines live beyond one race. They anchor a fund or founder into a longer arc of history. Decks die in inboxes. Doctrines live in the minds of power players. A sovereign doctrine has 3 layers. Non-negotiables. Here, this is how we operate. If you can't align, don't bother. 2. The strategic arc, a story of inevitability. This is where the world is moving, and here is how we are positioned inside it. And lastly, the call to alignment. You don't ask for money, you invite investors to join a campaign already in motion. Every founder with a deck looks the same. Every GP with a doctrine becomes unforgettable. Your doctrine should make someone feel like if they do not align with you now, they will be locked out of the next decade of influence. That is authority. That is magnetism. That is how sovereigns raise capital without pitching. So start replacing decks with doctrine. Stop begging with data point. Start commanding alignment. That is how you control capital flow instead of being at the mercy of it. Because in this game, the deck gets you filtered. The doctrine makes you followed.